Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the charts. And remember, this is just for fun and educational purposes, so we can all learn from this, and I'm not your financial advisor. Now let's look at silver. We are starting out with silver. This is the big picture, and if I look at the big picture, we can see that yeah, even though these moving averages are turning down, we may have started a big move up here, so maybe we are going to have the next leg upwards. And as you can see, before a big move up, silver usually falls severely, and here we have fallen severely, and now I think we are ready for the next big move up. Okay, let's look at this. Is the weekly chart on silver, and on the weekly we are still in this falling channel, and we have bounced from the bottom of this channel, and probably we are going to the top of the channel. In order for us to say that silver has turned bullish, we need to break above this channel. Let's look at the daily chart on silver. So, well, this is the daily chart on silver, and we have two nice green candles on the daily. As I pointed out, we had this first level of resistance, and now we have arrived at the second level. Well, yeah. Well, on the daily, yeah, this could be a little resistance here to 22.5, but I guess we are on our way to 22.78. Yeah, 22.75 could be the next level resistance, up to 23.14. So I guess right now we are going up to 22.85-ish levels, but then, yeah, we have broken out of this channel. This was a triangle, descending triangle, and as we could expect that, we broke down, but we came all the way back up into this triangle, and now we have broken above this triangle. This suggests to me that we are going to continue our way up. In fact, let me measure this move. This could also be a measured move. Okay, let's make a conservative one. Let's start out from here all the way to the bottom. That's it. And then put it here. And our target could be 23.30. 30-ish levels, 23.30-ish levels. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. 30-ish levels. So I think we are going into that direction. This is the daily chart on silver. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let's see if we can see anything here. So there's the 4-hour chart on silver, and yeah, we have started our way up here. Okay, and most probably we are going into this direction. 22.8 will be our next target, but eventually I think we are arriving to the 24-ish area. Yeah, 23.4 could be a resistance, level of resistance, so we might go up to 23.4-ish levels. come back, spend some time here, go up to this level of resistance, 24, let me see, 24.28. yeah, but once we break above 24, that will be a very bullish sign. We will have a new higher high. If we go straight to that area, straight up to that area, we can expect a pullback, because we also need a higher low once we have a higher high. Good, so that's silver. And let's look at gold. Gold, whatever is happening on gold, let's start out with a first with a big picture on gold. Okay, so this is gold. Let's see. So this is gold, and as you can see, we have, I think we are in an uptrend. We pulled back, and probably we are just about ready for a big move up. This could be a cup and handle, which is very bullish, and once we break above this level of resistance, break out of this handle, we can expect a big move up. So if you look at the picture on the long run on gold, we can be bullish on gold. Let's look at the weekly chart. Yeah, what I see on the weekly is that we have this 20 EMA and 50 EMA, and as you can see, here comes the blue one, the light blue one is the 20 EMA, and when we broke down, we've always come back to this level. When we broke up, we came back to this level, and now we broke down, and I think we are going back to this level, and that's 1790. So what I expect gold to do right now, based on this structure, first go to 1775, 1780-ish area, spend some time there, maybe pull back to 1760, and then eventually get to this area 1790. We might even cross above. As you can see, we have always come above the 20 EMA, so I think we are going above that. But here's a trend line on the weekly. We will look at it on the daily, and we broke through this short-term falling trend line. Let's look at the daily chart on gold. So this is the daily chart on gold, and yeah, we've broken out of this beautiful falling wedge, which was a very bullish sign. I pointed out when we were down here, I said we are going to break above that, and we've broken above. The 20 AMA has stopped us, so we are just below that, and also this 1760 level is a sort of a resistant area. We stopped there, but eventually, because the structure is not finished, in fact, the target of the structure could be, let me show it to you, the top of this falling wedge, right around 1796-ish area. I do think we are going to that area. We are on our way there. But there are, of course, stops on this way, and the first stop was 1760. The next stop will probably be 1775, 1780 area. We could go to 1775, we could go straight to 1780. You can see the 50-day EMA coming into play into that area. This will probably stop us, and we will pull back a little bit, maybe as far as 1760 or as far as the 20 EMA. They are in a falling trend, so it suggests that gold is still bearish, and that's why we cannot expect gold just to shoot straight through all these resistance levels. We will have pullbacks, I believe, but eventually we are going back above. And yeah, this is the daily chart. Let's look at the 4-hour chart on gold. Okay, so the 4-hour chart, let's see if we can see anything here on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, 4-hour chart, we had a sort of flag building up here. Let me measure this flag. I think it's a beautiful flag. We just started our way up from this flag, and if I want to measure this flag from here, let's say to here, and yeah, this flag points exactly to the area that I shared with you, 1780-ish levels. So what we can expect from gold is that we will go to 1780. Right now I would not short gold. At 1780 I will probably close my longs, and depending on what I see here, most probably open some short positions with tight stop loss, because I don't want gold to go above this resistance line, probably above this wick right here. I will put my stop loss. So above 1786, so probably my stop loss will be at around 1790-91 ish level, because here you can see these wicks reaching down to this level. So this is an area of resistance. Once we get there, we can expect a pullback, probably to 1760, or on this 4-hour chart even to 17. Right now it's 1753. By the time we get there, it may be higher. We will see. So that's gold. All right, see you next time.